Parnell Square West, and we're trying to cross the Hugh Lane Gallery. So this is one of these old radix units. So press the button. I don't even know if it's safe to go. It's the unit. Is the traffic light here working green or red, is it?
It is, but it's orange
no,
at the moment.
oh, it's orange, it'll be another few minutes, yeah. That's
yeah.
okay, thanks very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's very soundy, thanks very much.
It's going to press the button again.
It's one of these old ones that doesn't make a noise, unfortunately. So you don't know when it's changed. No, it's still red, is it, across the road, yeah?
Oh, it's green now.
Oh, it's green now. God, that's fantastic, guys. Thanks very much for helping us out. You're very good. Thank you. There's one on the other side. There you go. Now, all good.